Bullion Dealers state wake-up call for silver stackers. I just got back from my local coin shop here, and dealers have been waiting a full year for stackers to start buying again. And according to my dealer here, they're not waiting anymore. They've completely changed how they do business on the local level. Here's what's happening. What they're doing is they're taking the silver, of course, and they'll give us cash, but they're not holding this silver as inventory and waiting for us to buy it. They're flipping it immediately to a wholesaler on their end. The chain is completely broken. Typically, we would bring in silver if you've been stacking for 5 or 10 years, and your silver goes into a case. The local dealer waits for the next customer to come along and buy it. They're not waiting anymore. And really, they can't wait. I mean, it's just been too long for them to wait out for us to come in and buy again. So there's, on their end, they're swapping it out immediately and selling it. This is shocking for local dealers because here's what they're seeing here. Check this out. Even if you look, this is from Reuters. Just from January of this year, silver prices have jumped 24 to 30%. And that's only if you're looking at the U.S. market. If you're looking at India, it's even more. It's 30% for them. So the market's changed across the globe. But even conservatively, looking at what we're seeing here in the States, like we got a 13-year high back in June, broke through $35 an ounce. Now we're at 37, 38, heading for 39, easily going to hit 40. And look at this. This is a Silver Institute. They're showing the reason silver is heating up. It's industrial demand. Solar panels, EVs, electronics, AI data centers, all use silver. That's all industry. And there's only a certain amount of this metal available on the planet. There's not enough to meet what all these industries need, so the price is going up. It's not speculation. This is real world spot price. This is how it's impacting our price of silver. So local dealers, they feel like they're shouting from the rooftops saying, look, silver is not only a sleeper. It's not just a product that is kind of hidden. People don't realize. Most of America doesn't realize its value. It's even a sleeper for stackers. I mean, we really need to be woken up. There's no other way to say it. Look, this is also Reuters. They're showing that gold's year, right? It's been up 27, 30% since January. Central bank buying it up. Rate cut expectations, that sends gold up. Global tensions always sends gold up. And, the kicker really is silver is growing faster on a percentage basis. And that's what my dealer was explaining to me this morning. It's closing the gap between gold and silver. That ratio is tightening and it's going to get even tighter. So you and I as stackers, I mean, we often when we get an upswing like we're presently living through, right? All this momentum, silver heading up toward $40 an ounce. Stackers like, and I include myself in this, we stand on the sidelines and we wait. Oh, let's see if silver dips or if it really goes up. But this is what my dealer was explaining to me. You look back a year from now, back in 2024, this time, right before silver jumped, we were at $21, $22 an ounce. And people were standing on the sidelines waiting. So that's the history we have to understand. This metal is not going to get any cheaper. It's just not. And I'm not telling you, what to do with your money, how to invest or anything, but this is what it tells me for silver. We are on an upswing. And get your silver. Check out this contest from Money Metals. It's a great company. They're sponsoring this channel. They're really great. They're giving away 20 Eagles in this contest. Just click that link. I put it in the description. So check out that contest. Don't miss out.